Facebook Friends Only Me Setting Steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can set your Facebook friends to only me and what are the steps that you need to follow. So make sure to stick with me till the end. If you'd like to hide your friends on Facebook and set it to only me so that other people on Facebook will not be able to see it even if they're friends with you, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Facebook application here. And once you launch the Facebook application, you just need to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you need to just tap the gear icon that you can find over here. Once you tap the gear icon over here, you should be able to see all these details where you can see this option known as privacy checkup. So go to privacy checkup, select who can see what you share, right? And here you can say continue. And if you scroll down over here, you can see friends and following. Who can see friends list on your profile? Currently it's set to another, then you can just set this to only me. In my case, I've already set this to only me, and then you can tap the next option and review all of those, everything that you've actually added. So this way you can set your Facebook friends to only me, and these are the steps that you need to follow. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.